On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you how to make a dual USB-N cable using two USB-C to A adapter and a USB-C cable. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a dual-sided USB-A cable. Now, this is not more of an unconventional way to do things, but if you don't have a lot of money and you want to try something, you could do this. Now, I have to say this, do not use this in a professional environment. Make sure you have the professional tools to do this, otherwise you can get in a lot of trouble. So, what you see in front of me is two USB-C to USB-A adapters and a USB-C cable. Now, cables like this used to be used to transfer data from one computer to another. Also, you might need to program something, such as your wireless router. Wireless routers has a USB-A port for firmware updates and stuff like that. You could change settings and do all that, even though you can do it through an IP address. Some older stuff you may need to do this, or you could connect a printer to it with a coupler or whatever. You might need a cable to do that. So this will work in a variety of ways. It's not the best way, but it will work for the home market. Okay, so as I stated, I have a USB-C cable in front of me. I have the two USB-C to USB-A adapters. This is what it looks like when you buy them. These are $1.25 a piece from Dollar Tree. The reason I got these is because A, they're blue, and blue's my favorite color. Now, you can't buy them on Amazon. They come in a pack of like 5 or 6. I don't know the price because I haven't bought them in a while, so I forgot about that. But anyway, so it's $1.25, so that would be $2.50 just for the adapters. And this cable was $5 at Five Below. So assume $6. So for $8 you have a cable. Yes, you could probably get one for that price, but if you have these adapters and it's late at night and you need to troubleshoot something and you can't get a cable for whatever reason, sold out, you could do this. So here's how this works. You take this USB-C to USB-A adapter, put it on here, and you take this one and put it on here just like this. Right? So now you have a dual-sided USB-A cable. So for the sake of this video, say this is your computer. This is a USB-A strip, AN strip, but for the sake of this video, say this is your computer. Okay, so these two ports are from your computer, so what you do is you plug it in just like this. Alright, so that's there. Say these two are your wireless router. Right there. Now, just so you know, the wireless router I have is a little bit older, so it may not transfer data as quick. But if you're using a mesh network, they do not have USB ports, just so you are aware. So this is your computer. This is your wireless router. There you go. This is what it looks like, and when you're done, you just disconnect it, and there you go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.